For kids, you have to be able to support yourselves. I believe that we're very close now to winning this strike. We've seen other deals from other unions. We're in bargaining right now, and folks are asking me, so I don't know about bargaining, but I promise you, if you're still at the table, that's a good sign. I think things are going to move. You've got an incredible leadership team here. Henry, the president, everybody on the executive. We're going to win this strike, folks. We are going to save public education, and we're going to get decent living wages for people who deliver it. When I say CUPE, you say power! CUPE! Power! CUPE! Power! CUPE! Power! We're the absolute best, and we're going to win. I absolutely know it. It's going to be soon, guys. Thanks for all you're doing. Well done.
Oh, oops, madulas. Another day, another pakikibaka.
Yes!
Yeah, magta-train tayo ngayon. Kukuha lang ako ng mga video. Kukuha lang ako ng mga clips. Try kong i-video tong araw na to. Pakita ko sa inyo paano kami mag-strike. So, punta kami sa ano. Magta-train kami, park and ride. Punta kami downtown.
Park and ride.
Kasama ko si Arnel. Yan, train tayo. Bayad si boy ng train. Ito yung ticket ko. Ito. Bayad tayo. Tara. Bursa tayo ng bus. Lalakad lang tayo. Medyo mahamog ngayon, boy, ah. Di baling mag-snow, wag lang umulan, no? Kasi pag umulan, nyari tayo, mababasa tayo rito. Ay.
Mayroon peace officer po yung
nagche-check. Oo nga, no? May nagche-check. Yung mga ticket kasi rito, wala naman nagche-check eh. Honesty lang eh. Pero pag chinek ka, medyo malaki-laki mapapain mo. Ay, homeless. Ayun. Chinek yung homeless. Ito tayo. Ito downtown. Firma mo tayong attendance.
Dollars ko na.
Malilit daw yung size niyan. Pang China.
Nasaan na yan?
Wala pa. CR natin dito. Yung CR natin. Portable. Sa kabila. Paros caldo. Palugaw. Kay Lenny ba galing yan? Kay Lenny galing?
For the solidarity. We know that this is a building movement, that we're going to save education here in Alberta. What you folks are doing is the hardest thing you've ever done. I know that, being away from the kids, being away from the schools. But what we're going to do is draw a line in the sand with this strike. So the public education matters, and that the people who work in public education matter. And the support you give for kids, you have to be able to support yourself. I believe that we're very close now to winning this strike. We've seen other deals from other unions. We're in bargaining right now, and folks are asking me, so I don't know about bargaining, but I promise you, if you're still at the table, that's a good sign. I think things are going to move. We've got an incredible leadership team here. Henry, the president, everybody on the executive team. We're going to win this strike, folks. We're going to save public education. We're going to get decent living wages for people who deliver. When I say CUPE, you say power! Power!
Mag-party! Ito ha! On the record ha! On the record! On the record! Popost natin ito mamaya.
Hindi natutulog yung ibigay sa musik. Nasa YouTube pa. Bira.
Sign out natin. Ayun o. Ayun.
Oh, yung lag! Pinapakuha na likod! Isang blast! Titigda muna. Mayroon tayo babalik.
Ayun lag? Sige na.
So,
doon daw magsa-sign in. Dex. Doon daw mag-sign out.
Vlog muna tayo.
Yeah!
Ay, tapos yung 4 na oras. Ang lamig ngayon.
Yeah!
Ito yung pinakamalamig eh. Nag-freeze yung pa ako. Eh mukhang may negotiation daw next week. So check natin kung anong progress. Ay. Sana ibigay na yung increase natin, boy. Ha? Ilang increase ba dapat ang kailangan natin?
25%!
Ayan, sige.